In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and hitting connections right away. Then select printing. Tap on default print service or any other service you have and wish to use, and when you're ready, use gray switcher at the top right corner. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't find your printer, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Add Printer. And if your printer has Wi-Fi direct printing option, use gray switcher right next to it. Tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers and wait for your smartphone to find yours. If you wish to, you can also go back, click on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and select Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!